Hello everyone. Today pet parents across India are becoming increasingly conscious about what goes into their pet bowls. While the pet food industry has grown rapidly, questions around ingredients, transparency and nutrition which continues to remain an important concern for all the pet parents. To understand this better, we are joined by Mrs. Priha Chaube, who is the co-founder of Sumis, which is a premium pet food brand on a mission to fix what's actually broken in pet food industry through a clean label, transparent nutrition for dogs and cats. So now let's have her on the screen. Thank you for joining us, Priha.
Hey Shiveka, thanks for having me.
Okay, so let's start the interview. So to begin
Sure.
with, could you please tell us about yourself and what inspired you to enter the pet food industry?
Awesome. My name is Preha. I'm the co-founder at Zoomies. Zoomies is a 100% natural and clean pet food brand. Throughout my life, I have spent a lot of time growing a bunch of startups, and finally, it was time for me that I wanted to kind of start up on my own, and that realization came during the time when I was on my break. And during the break itself, I got Simba and Kala home, and these are two beautiful golden retrievers that I have. And when it came to evaluating what to give them as their daily diet and so on and so forth, I started researching the industry, and that's when I realized that the industry was really broken. And I figured the gap. So even if it started from a very emotional place of feeding my own dogs, eventually the market research led us to build Zoomies at a very large scale because the problem is truly genuine and needs a solution stat.
So जैसे जो zoomies है वो आप अपने खुद के dogs को भी consume कराते हो?
Absolutely.
Great,
Yes.
great. So as you mentioned about what's fixing what's broken in pet food, so ये जो आपका टैगलाइन है ये आपको क्या लगता है बेसिकली जो हमारा करंट पेट इकोसिस्टम है इसमें क्या सबसे ज्यादा ब्रोकन है इस टाइम पे?
Very good question. So basically ये जो tagline आया ही, like I said, everything is very authentic. टैगलाइन आया ही इस थॉट प्रोसेस से कि पेट फूड इंडस्ट्री जो है ये इट एक्सपेक्ट्स पेट पेरेंट्स टू जस्ट ट्रस्ट वॉट एवर क्लेम्स दे आर मेकिंग एंड दे डू नॉट बैकअप देयर क्लेम्स विद एनी रिपोर्ट्स एनी understanding or any proof for that matter, right? And that's where we are very different. We are the only brand that has done lab tests for all our products, and literally we have printed the QR code on the packaging itself that any pet parent who wants to buy Zoomies product can scan and validate whatever claims we are making for themselves. So we are saying that we want to earn your trust. We don't expect that you just assume us to be good only because we are saying so. So that is what is broken. Trust is broken in the industry, and we are trying to fix it with validation and proof.
Which is great because usually how as far as I know, because बहुत सारे जो पेट फूड ब्रांड्स हैं वो ऐसे थर्ड पार्टी लैब्स एंड रिपोर्ट्स प्रोवाइड नहीं करते हैं, ऐसे प्रूफ नहीं प्रोवाइड करते हैं, दे जस्ट सेइंग इट और लोग उनको बिलीव कर भी लेते हैं, राइट? और जो कि एज डॉग्स उनके इतने इतने क्लोज होते हैं तो उनके अपने डॉग्स के लिए नहीं वो चीज़ करनी चाहिए.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Dogs are part of the family now.
Exactly. जो बोल वो अपनी खुद की प्लेट पे नहीं रख सकते वो अपनी डॉग को कैसे फीड करा सकते हैं?
Correct.
So let's move towards. How should pet parents read ingredient labels more carefully?
The unfortunate reality is that pet parents usually do not read ingredient lists. I'll tell you the situation is like this, that people usually don't read the ingredient labels for their own food products. That's how fast the life has become, right? खुद के लिए नहीं पढ़ते तो pets के लिए क्या पढ़ेंगे? But fortunately we are moving closer to times when बच्चों के लिए लोग care करते हैं. Okay. And क्योंकि pets अब बच्चे बन गए हैं, people have started paying some attention. अभी के लिए सिर्फ marketing claims believe कर रहे थे कि hey, this is protein, hey, this is good for your dog. Now people are asking, why is it good for my dog? Now that people are more learned, people want to know the reason and rationale behind any marketing claim, and that's when they start reading the labels. And that's what I encourage people to do कि आप marketing language मत पढ़ो, आप ingredient list पढ़ो, turn the packet over, जो छोटे में fine print लिखा है, that is where the devil hides.
Great.
So read that.
Okay. So let's move towards the next question, which is like, one piece of advice that you would like to give to aspiring entrepreneurs?
It, it's difficult to find out just one piece of advice, to be very honest, because there is a journey to it. But yes, the thing is that if you think that you want to be an entrepreneur, you want to start up on your own, then the right time to do that is right now.
Okay.
Otherwise, you're stuck in planning and preparation, and years will go by, and you will not move, because this is not something that has any standard playbook. आपको कुछ भी करना है, आपका path could be very different from the next guy who's trying to probably achieve the same thing. क्योंकि कोई set rules नहीं है, क्योंकि कोई playbook नहीं है, तो आप prepare करके आऊँगा is not a logic, very antithetical to what Indian mindset and mentality is, right? कि exam देना है, मैं prepare करके जाऊँगा. तो you just need to know in your gut that you want to do this. You got to be ready for the hard work and the difficult and the painful days. And then you got to jump into it, and you got to just figure stuff out every single day, and you should get, and eventually the journey is such that it will make you comfortable with not knowing where am I going to put my next step.
Exactly.
तो वही है, आप प्रिपेयर करके नहीं आ सकते. अगर आपको करना है तो आप जंप करो, आप इमीडिएटली स्टार्ट करो, एंड जो भी होगा वो आपको मार्केट सिखा देगा, वो आपको जर्नी सिखा देगी. फेल फास्ट and move forward, and then eventually you'll do enough number of mistakes, and then you'll land on a win. That's how it is.
Great. So it was lovely talking to you. Lastly, हम लोग बस एक quick rapid fire round के towards चलते हैं. So
For sure.
one word that describes your journey as a founder.
Multitasking.
Most rewarding part of building Zoomies.
Looking at the most pickiest of eaters literally devour Zoomies like nothing else they usually
I get
find,
it.
you know.
I get it.
Yeah.
So one piece of advice for basically, ये तो हमारा question हो ही गया था, ये तो मुझे कट करना पड़ेगा. Any which ways. So are you a dog person or a cat person?
Absolutely a dog person. I love both, but because I have my 2 golden retrievers,
Okay.
so slightly more inclined towards dog.
Okay. Great. So if there is one message you would like to give every pet parent watching this interview to take away, what would it be?
Read the details, read the fine print, read the ingredient list.
Exactly.
Do not believe the marketing claims. Turn the packet over and read what is written.
Cool. Thank you for your time, Priya.
Absolutely, it was my pleasure, Shivika, and hope you got what you were looking for.
Absolutely. Thank you so much.